Russia offers emergency oil support too. India as Hormuz blockade chokes Gulf shipping. As the world's most critical maritime artery remains a no-go zone, Moscow has stepped forward with a game-changing offer to fulfill India's energy demands. Russian sources have officially confirmed that the Kremlin is ready to ramp up crude and LPG supplies to New Delhi, bypassing the volatile Gulf routes to ensure India's 1.4 billion people do not face a total fuel freeze. This Russian lifeline comes at a critical moment, as nearly 50% of India's oil and 80% of its LPG typically pass through the now blocked Strait of Hormuz. With Iranian forces threatening to set any passing vessel ablaze, the availability of Russian crude in floating storage across the Indian Ocean provides a vital safety net for Indian refiners. Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has assured the nation that India is currently in a reasonably comfortable position with roughly 8 weeks of oil inventory. However, he confirmed that the government is already in talks to increase Russian imports to offset the massive price spikes that have sent Brent crude surging toward $82. The economic carnage has not spared the Indian markets, with the Sensex enduring a brutal 2,700-point intraday crash as investors panic over rising import costs. The Indian rupee has also hit a record low of 91.50 against the US dollar, making the shift toward discounted Russian energy a matter of urgent national economic survival. While paper wealth evaporates across global exchanges, the strategic partnership between New Delhi and Moscow is being rewritten as a cornerstone of energy resilience. By diversifying away from the burning oil lanes of West Asia, India aims to shield its economy from the stagflation supercycle that is currently crushing other major world powers. As the blood moon rises over the conflict zone tonight, the arrival of emergency Russian tankers could be the only thing preventing a total energy blackout in the region. The 2026 war has proven that in a world of collapsing alliances, the flow of oil is the ultimate measure of a nation's true sovereignty. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.